Okay, today on Okie Mountain Outdoors, I picked up a new bar. It is the Forester Platinum Featherlite bar. If you watch some of my other earlier videos, you see me run the Forester Platinum bar on my 550 for a little while. I cut about a little over a cord of wood with it. It held up pretty good. I mean, it's a good bar. A little on the heavy side. So I seen this. They come out with these Featherlite bars, and I seen some people asking about it on some of the Facebook groups. So I thought I'd pick one up and we'd compare them. So let's open it up here. See what we got. Now, if you compare these two, you notice the other one has a tip that you can change out. This one does not. It does have a grease hole in it. But let's weigh these, and I'll probably take my smaller bar off my 550, and we'll compare it with it too. And see what they come up with. Okay, let's weigh the Forester Platinum first. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. £1 9 ounce. So it's a good bit lighter. Let's get the smart bar and see what it weighs. Okay, let's see what this smart bar weighs. 1 pound 10 ounces. So the Forester Featherweight is like a pound or an ounce lighter. Now, I planning on putting this on my 545. It's got one of those Oregon speed cut bars, which is a really light bar too. Let's get it and see what it's gonna weigh. I believe I'm gonna leave it on this saw to test it with. It'll take some time to do that though. Now the Forester Platinum bar, they got it off the Forester shop. It was like $38, which is awesome price. Okay, let's see what the Oregon Speed Cut. 1 pound 4 ounces. £1 9 ounces. Which the Speed Cut is it's aluminum core. It's not a solid bar. I do like these. They are a little fragile, I guess would be the right word. But yeah, we're gonna try this out. See how it's gonna work out. Tip feels really good. It's got 5 brads on it. Let's take and grease this nose here and throw it on the saw. My first initial greasing of a tip, I like to see the grease come out up here. Oh yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out now. Throw it on the saw. We might need it here in a little bit. Get a storm. I went to the. I like these nice big holes, the oiler holes. It's got nice big holes. The Smart bar holes are not quite as big around, but they're kind of teardrop shaped. So like that. I like it a lot. Put the chain back on. I also picked up this ratchet wrench from the Forester shop. Looks pretty good on there. I was kind of worried about the red, how that would look. I know seeing pictures of it, I was like, oh, I don't know, but looks alright. But I'll use this thing and see if it's gonna hold up, which I'm probably pretty sure it is, because like I say, I use the Forester Pro or the Forester Platinum, and cut about I'd say probably 1.5 cords of wood with that thing on there, and it never gave no issues. So if you want a cheap light bar, I mean that's probably at least half the price I gave for the Smart bar. At least half the price. I can't exactly remember. I think I gave like $90, in the $90 range for that Smart. So, but that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.